Hello folks, it's Space Chaser, welcome to Manchester Piccadilly Gardens. Thursday the 5th of June 2025. Metroline WDS 324 being followed by Go North West 2111, Street Deck Ultraliner and Street Deck Electric, or Electroliner should I say, respectively. So as you can see, there's no passing trams at the minute, doing track work at Piccadilly Gardens. You can see the tram line's closed off. Go North West 3422 just passing by there on the other side of the road. Metroline Enviro 200 MMC DE486. We should get both of those when they come back out at the bus station. Metroline WDS 236 coming out now, 38 Logistics North. WDS 293 behind it, not in service. Volvo BZL next, VMD 377 on the 42 to East Didsbury. WDS 317 behind. 143 to West Didsbury. And just coming in, Alexander Dennis Enviro 400 EV, ADE 539, SK74BLJ. VHA 534, SA15 VTX for Metroline. And if I pan round, Stagecoach 27957, SN13CME, Enviro 300. Stagecoach 10846 and Stagecoach 10852. Go North West Street Deck Electroliner now 2104. 2032 of Go North West BYD Enviro 400 EV. Flixbus JB74 JBT. .25 plate there, VMD 381 for Metroline. BU25YVE. Metroline's DE486 coming back out again, YX74OJK on the 263 to Altrincham. And there it goes. Metroline WDS 307 behind it. TEH 110 across the road there, formerly Stagecoach 12101. It's still carrying both numbers. WDS 283 behind it there. Stagecoach 27953. The Metroline TEH, now TEH 153 MX13 FNP and TEH 132 YN62 BFP. TEH 151 across the road there, VMD 395 behind it. Awful lot of TEH all of a sudden. TEH 163 now, SL63 FZH. Still in Magic Bus livery. WDS 328 just sneaking past there. Stagecoach 11513 now on the 33. Stagecoach 11514 there. Just apologise for the dodgy camera work. I've got rain all over my camera and the screen went funny. That's why it kept rolling. I couldn't pause it, and also why it randomly zoomed in and probably turned at a funny angle as well. I've got all sorts of weird warnings, but it has stopped raining now, so hopefully we should be alright from now onwards. So BV74LMK there for National Express, Catano Levante 3 on the 171 to Leeds. This is nice, Transpora Northwest, LJ09CCD. Enviro 400. Metroline WDS 232. So the registration of this is MJ74JOU, and it's just carrying WDS on the front. Hopefully it's got a side number, yeah, WDS 329. BDE 206 behind it. WDS 342 there, just heading in. WDS 227 behind it. Go Northwest 2111. Metroline ADE 536. Metroline VMD 395. Metroline VHA 534 again. Stagecoach 10846. Right, and rapidly failing light, Go Northwest 3422 MX20 KXD. Metroline WDS 232. WDS 328 now. Something different now, Swans of Chadderton, YX740HO, Enviro 400 MMC. Double National Express now, BV19XSB, quickly round for Metroline BDE 200. WDS 234 behind that. BV19XSB again, and that belongs to Selwyn's of Runcorn. WDS 283 for Metroline, MF74 NRL. WDS 294 across the road, and WDS 323 behind that. So Metroline VMD 381 BU25YVE on the 250 to the Trafford Centre. Volvo BZL. And we've got TEH 190 SL63 GDE in Magic Bus livery, and WDS 303 MF74 NUM. So we'll have a couple more and I'm going to stop because the rain's coming down again. I don't want my camera to freeze. So we've got TEH 189 SL63 GDA. Again in Magic Bus livery. Stagecoach Enviro 400 EV 80091. And then Metroline DE 496 YX74OJV. And on that one I'm going to finish the video. So as always, thank you for watching. Sorry about the camera freezing earlier on. Again, it got soaking wet, so water and the camera don't mix. We'll have a quick bonus shot, TEH 191 for Metroline there, still in Magic Bus livery. But yeah, as always, thank you for watching, take care, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now.